Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Okay, dito na po kami. Salcedo Leisure Park. Yan, may pool na pala kasi nung last time na pumunta po kami rito, wala pa siyang pool. Wow, see? May saging! At ang mga magagandang school head, char. O, see? Diyan po ang paliguan. Doon. Oh, dito pala.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Ang dami kasi eh. Manala na kita taga-baggat. Oh, diba? Piyapan na naman may ruina nga tatagbagan. Oh, diba? Sabi ko na nga sa'yo eh. Kasi na-try ko. Aray ko!
Puro ka sublat nga ro.
Ha? Kaya na nito.
Nadagsan. No, papiliin.
Tanan nyo mabagatan. Mabagat tayo. Medyo ka. Sakitan sa'yo. Ready na. Let's eat, let's eat. Let's eat or let's drink Coke. Let's eat. Ado asus. Nagpa-share na ito na. Oh, di ba? Sa sexy naman ng mga kasama ko. Oh my goodness. Sana ganyan din ang ating mga body build, guys. Ayan po, featuring the pool. Ito naman pala dito. O, dito dyan. I guess it's 4 feet and 5 feet, I think. Madadaanan po tayo. Simple bridge na walang tubig. Oh, Diyos ko! Hindi, dapat na nag-video ko niyata yun. Dahil sa vlogging.
lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
I guess ito ang
I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised.
Una ka na, miss. Sis, ito mo. Ibang yan. Nakapanta sis.
When I see you smile. Yes?
Nag-hi kay mo ta, hanga picture, video.
This much remains of our moment in time. When I'm more than so I will be. When all of my dreams are hardly away, and the answers are all left to me. No time for less. I made a plans. Now there's a chance. Here is all left to me. Give me one more time. When I'm more than ten minutes and one moment of time, I will be I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream. Although I'm not asleep, I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't feel it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tease me until
Sa isip ko, na hindi paglutuan, pagringado, ken katulong ado apulo. When